Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. Today I'm actually in my parents' yard. They built their house 43 years ago, and for about 40 years now they've had sewer problems where they've had to clean their sewer line at least once a year. We dug the line up today to discover that the original sewer line had a very small hole in it from when it was backfilled. Over the years, that's allowed roots to get in the sewer line and continually clog it. They contacted a plumber to have the sewer line dug up and repaired, and they wanted $10,000 to do the job. Luckily for my parents, between me and my brother, we had the know-how to do the job ourselves. We did it for them for a little bit under $500. Now, everybody says, why should I have a sewer scope done when I'm buying a house? This is why, right here. This 2 foot of pipe would have cost my parents $10,000 if they had to pay a plumber to do it. Compare that to the couple $100 for a sewer scope, and that explains why you want to have that line scoped during every home inspection. For all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631, and hopefully you can avoid having a day like this. I wish everybody has a happy and safe day.
As you can see, even new construction can have roots, and it doesn't take a very big crack in the pipe for the roots to get a good grip on what's going on and clog your system up. If you like this short video, give us a like below. If you have a comment, please comment. If you have a question, leave us a question. And if there's something that you'd like to see us make a video on that you're interested in, go right ahead and leave your suggestion below. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.